Okay, so today, standing in front of the Sense Theatre for the first time. So this is going to be the venue for the world premiere for Rise of the Beast tomorrow. As you can see, this it seems like it's going to be quite a big event tomorrow. Yeah, Autobot icon, Decepticon icon. Yes. The place looks quite good. The place looks quite well set up for the spectacle tomorrow, which is not bad. Yeah, and they even have posters like lined up here. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a big show tonight. I mean tomorrow, sorry. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, it really looks good. It really looks good. Yeah, so many posters around. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, you have basically all. Yeah, quite excited for the event tomorrow. Yeah, it's gonna be the first time I'm actually attending one world premiere at Sense Theatre, especially. So big.
What are you most excited about Rise of the Beast, though?
Okay, so I managed to win the super fan pass.
Which one?
And right now,
the animals, the Maximals.
Standing here, yeah.
Maximals, yes.
This is
How did you call them?
the exclusive space
Oh,
for
you called
the
them another
fans.
name before. What?
Yeah.
No, it's okay. I thought it's a Goldilocks, something like that.
Very
Yeah.
personal.
I was like, okay, for a moment, that's a different character altogether. All right, enjoy. All right, guys, so in just a few minutes' time, we're going to see the stars of Transformers Rise of the Beast right here on the red carpet for the world premiere. The first time anyone's seen it outside of just a few of the media like Ed Russell, who spoiled it for everybody else, but that's okay.
You might have got a bit wet. We're very excited. This is the first ever world premiere for a Hollywood movie here in Singapore. Thank you, yes. And here at Marina Bay Sands, we're very excited to be partnered with UIP and Paramount. We really share the vision that we have for making Singapore a centre for global entertainment. So please enjoy the show tonight, enjoy the movie, and thank you very much for being here.
Thank you, Paul. Paul, stand with me here on the side here. Sure. Now, it's my honor to introduce to you the talent in just a few moments' time, but to talk about the screening tonight in the beautiful Sands Theater in Marina Bay Sands. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome the director of Transformers Rise of the Beast, Stephen Cable Jr., and the amazing cast, Anthony Ramos, Dominic Fishback, Tobin Wigway, producers Lorenzo Di Bonaventura, and Mark Rodian. Yes, give them some noise. We want to hear it make some noise, guys. Singapore, we need to make noise to bring them on stage. Once again, the director, Stephen Cable Jr., Anthony Ramos, Dominic Fishback, Tobin Wigway, producers Lorenzo Di Bonaventura, and Mark Moradian. All right, guys, welcome to Singapore, and welcome to the world premiere of Transformers: Rise of the Beast. We're gonna do a group photo, guys. Let's get everybody together for a group photo. Have our photographers ready.
You're gonna smile, you're gonna feel good. It's a really well-rounded film, man. We put a lot into it and a lot of love, so.
Fantastic, fantastic. And Lorenzo and Mark, being producers on many Transformer films here, and obviously with Rise of the Beast, what was the one thing that you wanted to bring to the audiences that you knew would just shock and awe them?
It's the connection to the Autobots in this case and the Maximals that's a little different than we've done before. And so we were trying to deliver the kind of experience that you care about them as though they're human beings. And I think that's one of the things that Steven and this group right here, this fantastically talented group, brought a lot to that.
Fantastic. Okay, now to Anthony, Dominique, and Toby, real quick. What was any funny stories behind the scenes you wanted to share about your making of Transformers?
One of y'all go first.
Anthony goes.
Toby, you've been killing it all day, man. Come on, you first. Funny story behind the scenes. Oh man, yeah.
Rise of the Beast right here. Can we have our Energon towers brought to the center of the stage? You know we had to bring Energon into the mix here. Oh yes, you have seen nothing yet. Wait till this. All right, can I have Mark, Lorenzo, and Steve right here on this one right here? That's right. And then of course the cast here, Anthony, Dominique, and Toby. Now you guys gonna press the button on my count. I'm gonna count down from 3, 2, 1. All right, audience, I need you to count with me. Are we ready?
Yes!
Make some noise. Are we ready?
Yes!
3, 2, 1.
I am Optimus Prime, leader of the mighty Autobots. I interrupt your gathering to bring you an important message, vital to the safety of your world. For years, you have followed our bold adventures and cheered as we vanquished our enemies. But nothing can prepare you for the next evolution of the Transformers. I will leave the task of telling you about the epic battles ahead to another. Farewell.
My name is Air Razor. I am a Maximal, a warrior for those of past and future. These are my fellow Maximals, Rhinox, Keto, and our leader, Optimus Primal.
We Maximals are an advanced race, dedicated to the expansion of life throughout the universe. We took an oath dedicated to the preservation of life, no matter the cost.
Ladies and gentlemen, the world premiere of Transformers Rise of the Beast. How
Okay, so today, yeah, as you can see, world premiere. Okay, first time in the Sense Theatre. Yeah, seems. Yeah, I didn't expect MBS to have a theatre. Looks good. Yeah, looks good. The R and all that. Yeah. First in the world to watch. Can you imagine that? Looks so dope. Looking forward for the movie. Looking forward. Blue, green seats. Yeah, gonna enjoy it. Okay, so I just completed the world premiere of Rise of the Beast. Everything looks good. Okay, so this is how the room looks like. How the room looks like, with all these posters and all that. Yeah, you have all these exhibits going on. Yeah. This I believe these are the artworks that won. Yeah. And you have this Autobot thing and this Maxima logo. Yeah. Six posters. Yeah. First time attending such a big premiere. Yeah. Sorry? Yeah, so this is how the whole space of the Sense Theatre looks like. It's quite dope. Some of the exhibits here on display. Here.